The wig companies are stepping it up.
Baby boy, stay on my mind. You can feel my feelings.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love.
I wanted to show y'all what the wig looks like on. This is it straight out of the box. The lace is pre-cut, the knots are pre-bleached for you, and it does come pre-styled. So when you unpackage your box, this is how it comes shipped to you. It will be inside of another box, which is great because most of the wig boxes get damaged in the shipping process. And then you're gonna open it up and have your wig and all the things you need for your install. The packaging is pretty. I've always loved UNice's packaging, and I'm big on packaging, but you have everything you need: your wig cap, edge brush, lace tape, elastic bands, everything you're going to need as a beginner to put your wig on. If I was a beginner, I don't even see why you would want to buy a wig without all of this. It just makes your life 10 times easier. It makes my life easier, and I already know how to do it. You get a 7x5 closure, an adjustable band for you to be able to wear it glueless, and this is their Byebyeknots line, so you don't have to bleach the knots or anything. They're barely there, okay? If you are a beginner, this is the way to go. The very first thing you want to do once you get your wig out the box is to tint that lace. I'm not a big fan of doing makeup on the lace. I like using lace tint. I feel like I have a hard skin tone to match, and I love the Red by Kiss sprays because they have my shade and my undertone, and it is just perfect, perfect, perfect. I use a fluffy makeup brush and spray the lace tint on there so I can get right in those front spots or to get small areas on top of the lace. So after I do that, I am going to clip the bangs out of the way so I can get this lace glued down. I have a low hairline, so the wigs normally fit my head funny, so I'm really just going to focus on putting my wig down in the middle, and we are going to add a little bit of glue for some added security. I am going somewhere, so that's really why I needed my wig to stay down. I'm using the Dola lace glue. I do not recommend this lace glue. I just use it if I'm in a rush and I just need something that's not going to stick forever, because this glue does not last long at all. But I'll use it for a short-term temporary install. I just put one layer of glue and I ripped this wig off when I came back home. The lace was very nice. I don't think this was even a HD lace wig, but the lace was very, very thin. UNice is one of my favorite brands for glueless wigs because they melt really, really nicely. Like in person, in real life, the lace looks good. It doesn't just look good on camera. Once you put your makeup or your lace tint on, it normally blends just like perfectly. I wanted to add a little bit just so it was seamless. And that's it. I don't have to do a lot of work when it comes to UNice, which I can appreciate. Brushing the curls out, this wig is very, very fluffy. The curls are very fluffy. The hair is soft. I have nothing but good things to say about the wig on my first impression. I have not worn this wig long. I installed it that day and took it off that day. I do not like sleeping in my wigs. The bangs were too long, so I went ahead and did the same method that I taught in my 70s bang tutorial, curtain bangs tutorial video. And that is to just twist the middle and then cut at the nose, and you can just move up to depending on where you want your bangs to stop at. I need my bangs short. I do not want them all in my eyes, but also I don't want them on the middle of my forehead either. So to each his own. I like to cut the bangs right at the middle of my nose, and that'll give you like the right above the eye look. So you don't want to literally cut right at the eye because they'll end up even shorter. I decided to go in with this Byebyeknots curling iron. I just got this curling iron. It was gifted to me by Amazon. Shout out to them. So I'm trying it for the first time in this video, and I was surprised. It's a very, very nice curling iron. Personally, I like it so far. Maybe I'll make a video about it later. But I wanted to show y'all what the curls would look like if you curled them up versus if you curled them under. This is up, and this would give you that Farrah Fawcett look. Very voluminous, very big curls. Yeah, very 70s vibes, right? So if you want that look, then you should definitely curl your hair up. And I will show you comparisons so you can understand the difference that I'm explaining to you all. But if you're going for a more casual look, you like that drop curl, like beach wave look, then you should curl your hair under. I'm locking in all my curls with the Tresemme Extra Hold hairspray. I love this hairspray. It's so lightweight and it does not make your hair crunchy or hard. The bangs, I did want to curl under a little bit, so I curled them ever so slightly. I mean, do not even let it sit on there for longer than 5 seconds because you don't want those super curled under bumped bangs that'll look crazy. So I just did it a little bit just so it wasn't touching my eyes that much. So this is the side by side of curling it up versus curling it under. I decided to go ahead off camera and just recurl the other side under because that was more the look that I was going for. But I do like both of them, but I was on a more casual type of outfit vibe today. I also wanted to show y'all 3 different hairstyles to do. So this was the first one. You could just wear it down, middle part, you know, the usual, and this is perfect. I also decided to do a cute little updo with the claw clip. This is great for if you need something out of the way, you know, you don't want hair all down your back. When I'm moving around and doing stuff, I need my hair up out of the way. So this is good if you are on the go, going to the gym or whatever the case may be. Claw clip was cute. I wanted to pull it up even higher, and I actually like the tall, like almost to the top updo even better. It looks so cute and classy in the back. I just love a good claw clip. And then lastly, I wanted to show y'all a half up, half down. So I just used my claw clip to do the same thing with the half up, half down style with some pieces out on the side, and that's it. You can wear this hair in so many different ways, and because it's a closure, it's very low maintenance. Whether you do the glueless method or you glue it down just a little bit like I did, this is a very low maintenance wig. I love a good closure because I am not trying to re-glue frontals all day long. The wig company did send this wig with the cut and the layers and everything for my beginner girlies, but if you are somebody that's up for the challenge, make sure you go check out my 70s curtain bang tutorial because I do go into depth on how you can achieve it. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video.